In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or just starting out, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate a comment section into your site to boost engagement and interaction with your audience. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you should see a list of all your sites. Click on the site you want to add the comments section to, and the Wix editor interface will open. Now this is where all your designing magic happens, and it's the perfect tool to enhance your site's functionality through various features. Next, direct your attention to the left panel of tools and options. You'll want to look for the plus icon, which is the add button. Clicking this will expand a menu, providing you with a range of elements that you can include on your web page. From basic text and images to more interactive elements, this menu is your gateway to customizing the site. Within this menu, scroll down and click on Social. The social category contains all sorts of social media integrations that you can add to your site. What we're interested in here is adding a comments section. So social media plugins are precisely what we need. Once you've entered the social section, you'll see several social platforms listed such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, VK and Line. For this tutorial, let's use Facebook as our example. Facebook's integration is straightforward and highly effective in enhancing your site's interaction. Click on the Facebook option to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose from a selection of templates. These templates are designed to fit various themes and site designs, so it's beneficial to pick one that aligns well with the overall aesthetic of your site. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the one that you feel best suits your needs. After selecting your preferred template, it's time to give your new page a name. This is the name that will appear in your site's navigation menu, so make it something intuitive and relevant to its purpose, like comments or discussion board. Click on Add Page Name and type in your chosen name. Finally, to complete the setup, you'll need to enter your Facebook page's ID. This step ensures the comment section is linked correctly to your page, allowing users to comment through their Facebook accounts. If you're unsure where to find your Facebook ID, Facebook's Help Center can be a useful resource. And there you have it. You've successfully added a comments feature to your Wix website, making it more interactive and engaging for your visitors. Remember, a vibrant comment section can foster a sense of community and encourage repeat visits. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.